Okay, so I'm recording a before image of my RAM. It says cache 22.8 gigabytes. So the idea is that I can clean this up actually. And right now with no other programs open other than OBS recording, it's 22.8 gigabytes, which is a lot. So I'm going to use something called RAMMap. I found this video and this guy's explaining how to clean up the computer. Let me do some research though, just to make sure I won't delete anything that like I really need. I need to figure out what it deletes before I actually use it. Okay, so I'm in RAMMap right now. I downloaded it. And supposedly it's supposed to show me. I also have my windows up here on the side. It's taking a long time. So let's see. Unused. So let me see. Finish what he's talking about. Okay, so I'll go ahead and test it out. So right now it's at 23 cache gigabytes of RAM there. So it's supposed to go to empty. I know I can do empty working says, but right now I do the standby list, which is I think just the unused. And I'm looking at the unused number down here, 95 million. It's insane. Let's see. Wow, it went down to 400 megabytes. Okay, it's a massive difference. I'm gonna jump on Demon Slayer and test it out. Yeah, it still feels kind of slow, so I don't have high hopes for it. Yeah, see. So let me see. Yeah, it's still kind of laggy. The best way I could test it is online, but yes, I think there's still like some lag going on. Wasn't the best character to really see it, but I think there's still some lag. But I cleared up the cache for it. But that's how you clear up the unused cache, basically. And that's a Windows program. It's part of Windows. It's an extension. So as you can see, right here, it's called RAMMap. Figured I'd give it a try, but yes, it cleared it up. But I think I'm still gonna have lag in my games. So, I mean, it's better, but anyway, there you go. Just want to test it out.